Tired of rebuilding your project management notes taking every time? What if you could set it up once and use it over and over again for all your new projects? In this video, I will show you the OneNote template that will make you a better project manager. Okay, right now I'm in my OneNote. Okay, so this is the template that we're going to create. I'm going to walk you through quickly, step by step, how to do it. Yeah. Now, once you have this as your template, what you can do is very simple. You can just copy and then Control V to paste it. Or you can go to your template, just open the template here, right? Now, if you want, you can actually come over here and then save the current page as a template and then put it as a name, right? Let's say this is project template. Okay. Then what you can do is here you get this project X. Yeah. Now every time you want to add a new page, you can come over here, right? And click. It will create a new page for you. Project X. Yeah. So either you can use copy and paste or you can use this to set your template, whichever you prefer. So now let me just delete this off. Yeah. Now it will create a new page right over here, but you do not need to worry. Let's say this is project ABC is a new one. You can just basically drag and drop it right over here under your project templates. So then this is how you organize it. Okay. Now you will want to know how to organize your notes, right? Using all these subpages, section, notebooks, right? I will create another separate videos on that. Okay, so now today's focus is to create this template. Yeah, so all you need is very simple. You come over here and then you can create using, these are all created using the table. Okay, and if we look at it, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 2 columns and then 4 rows. Okay, so you can put in your status and project name, right? And then you can just organize it. Of course, you can bold it and then can change the font. Yeah, so this is totally up to you how to do it. Okay, so then this can be your project name. Yeah, and then you can have your start date, end date, and then your team name. Okay, all right, so right over here, this is assuming that this is a project name, means that the project, assuming this is project ABC. Okay, ABC. So this is how you're going to track it. Yeah, so over here right now, I can press Control 1. Okay, Control 1 means that this is the planning. You can see here planning. Yeah, I can just show it right over here for you. Control 1, it is planning, right? As planned. Let me just remove this off. Yeah. Now, if I want to remove, simply just press back Control 1 or Control 0 to remove it. Okay. Now, if it's in progress, you move it to, okay, in progress, number 2. Yeah. And then number 3 is done. Right. Now, this is preset in my tags. Okay. So this is a tag. You can see that here. Plan in progress done. Control 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now all you need is just go here, customize tags, and then you can create a new tag and then can put plan. Yeah. New tag. You can put any names you want. All right. Let's say I want to put to-do list. And then I can choose any symbol. This is a symbol 1, 2, 3 that, easy for me to remember. Yeah. So then choose this and then click OK. Then you will create that. And then all we need to do is that you can come over here, you can press here up and down to sort it the sequence, right? So you want to use control 1, 2, 3, then you put it on the first three. Now, my advice is always, right, put the tags that you use most, right, in the top 10, then you can use the control key easily, right? Usually we don't use, for me, I won't use more than like 6 or 7, yeah? The rest, I seldom use it, okay? All right, so this is how you organize it. And of course here, you want to do something like this, right? Can put it over here, and then because there's two of this row, right? I can right click here and then go to the table. I can do merge cell. Now this is the latest functions, right? That allows you to do that. So you can also do this to merge two cells in a row. Okay, right? Merge cells. See that? Okay. And then table merge cells, right? Now, of course, you want to highlight this cell, then just go table and then choose the shading, all right? Then you got this, you see? Of course, you can go and choose whatever color you want. All right, so same thing, you can do this as well, right? Let me just drag it. Now, the beauty of this OneNote is that it is actually like a whiteboard or unlimited canvas. You can put this or organize it anywhere you want, right? And it just basically drag and drop. And the subsequent section, I'm using PDCA. Now, anyone know what is PDCA? Plan, do, check, act. And if you use this, okay, in your problem solving, this is one of the very useful so-called methodology that I use. Yeah. Now, of course, you can use PMI, the 5 phases. Right. To me, the 5 phases is almost the same. You look at the 5 phases. Yeah. So it's totally up to you how do you want to do it. Okay. So if you have 5 phases, you got a phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Then here you got PDCA is only the 4 steps. Okay. Plan, do, check, act. Right. So, and these are the subcomponent inside the PDCA. Now, of course, right over here, okay, you can insert like PDF file. You can have like file printout. Yeah. So meaning that when you insert the PDF, it will show you all the internal content, not just like a file. Now, if you want to know more about this, the file printout, then I'll do a separate video for you. Just leave a comment right below. Okay. Then, of course, you can even insert an Excel spreadsheet today, right? If you don't like this simple table, then you can insert a spreadsheet or pictures. If you have a lot of documents and pages, of course, you can create others. And then what you can do is create that link. Let's say, for example, here, project templates. You can see that here, I create the link to all these pages. So you want to have, let's say, a certain projects, okay, in your departments, and then every new projects you want to link back to this. This kind of like your index page. So over here, I can come over here. I can just right click it, and then I will find the copy link to the page. And what I need to do is go back here, okay, and then I'm gonna paste it over here. You see, so when I paste it over here, I right click, it will goes to here. Okay, my project, right? So if you have project that you want to link to other documents, you can always create a section to have all the resources link right over here. So since I show you on the status right over here, yeah, let me just remove this because I'm not going to use this. Here's how you track it, okay? So go back to the home page where you have this, yeah, find text. Click on the find text. You can see that, yeah, right over here. And here I can have this page group, or you can have many section, right? So my advice is always, okay, search on this page group because this is under this page group, right? These are all different pages. So you have all the different groups. So you don't want to combine all together, right? So if this is for like one kind of one your departments or one of your functionality project, you can group them, yeah. And then here he will just sort according to the text inside right over here. Now you can see that here right now project X is done. Yeah, this is control 3 done. Yeah, it means that it shows you, right? So let me show you again, right? So let me just remove this. If I put it planning phase, right? Planning. All I need is just go back here to rephrase it. You can see that. So if you have all different types of projects, it will shows you all the different type planning, what is in progress, what has been done right over here. Using this, you can track the progress of your project, right? So let me remove this and then show you again in progress. Yeah. And then refresh, see it's in progress. Okay. So I hope this short video will trigger you to try use this, okay? Because OneNote gives you the opportunity to put all your information or all your project information in one place, right? Now, even if you have meetings, you can create a index of all the meetings related to your projects right over here. And it has a lot of like, okay, insert your meeting details. You can choose from your calendar and so on. Yeah. Now, this is also very useful. You can share this with your team members. And OneNote, you can actually share inside your teams and everybody have access to it. So this is a very useful tool that you can apply and helps you ease out your project management stress. By the way, I'm Andrew. If you like this content, do share with your friends or colleagues so that they benefit from it too. Do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you will be notified. I'll see you real soon in my next video.